recording the sewer line here at 2827 Northwest 75th. Date's Monday, March 9th, 2020. Looking at the Seattle City main, we're about 100 feet out, give or take, from the clean out here on the west side of the house. Be pulling back through this clean out, take a look at the line. So 6-inch clay to start. You got a small break in the pipe on the left side of the line there, kind of the left side of the camera along the bottom. Coming back into old concrete. Back into plastic there, about 25 feet out. There's old concrete again. I'm going to try running this one more time with a skid on the camera, see if I can't see a little better. Sections of the line are just too flat to even really get a good look at. So I'm going to pause the recording there. I'm going to try recording this again, this time with a skid on the camera. Try to prop us up off the bottom of the line. So we got to turn. There's a tie-in on the, or upside down, but right side of the pipe there. Okay. It's concrete going into plastic. And here's where the line begins to get pretty flat. There's your main sewer line. Man. Try to come back from here and see if we can't get a good look here. Coming backwards, sometimes see a little better. This is old concrete. back into plastic, so about 16 feet of old concrete before you get into plastic. Small repair done there. So coming back through more concrete. Maybe where our neighbor's tying in, so about 21 feet here. I'm going to locate this spot real quick. Pause the recording. Okay, located the neighbor's tie-in. We should be coming back into plastic here. There's plastic. So this is where the neighbor's cleanout is. We're going to come back into this flatter HDPE pipe. Let's see if I can rinse this screen off a little bit. I'm going to go locate a couple more spots, pause the recording. Okay, I've now located basically that whole bellied section of the pipe through that ABS repair. So we have grade here, it's going uphill, and we start coming downhill. This is the problem area through all of this. And then we're back to having grade again back here. So we'd essentially trench that whole area up and try to fix that grade problem. I'm going to end the recording there. I've learned what I needed out of that.